Tired of Docusign templates that just don't quite fit your needs? Let's unlock Docusign's advanced editing features to give you ultimate document control. First, log into your Docusign account and navigate to the Templates tab if you want to edit an envelope you already sent. That will be under the Manage tab. Click on Create Template. This allows you to upload a new document or reuse an existing one for editing. Next, upload the document you want to customize. You can drag and drop the file or browse your computer. Now, on the left panel, you'll see various recipient roles and fields. Assign recipients as needed for your workflow. Drag and drop the desired fields such as signature, date, text boxes, and more onto your document. This is where the customization begins. Click on any field you've added to access its properties panel. Here, you can fine-tune formatting, set validation rules, and even apply conditional logic to fields, making them appear or disappear based on user input. Explore the advanced features like calculated fields for automated calculations or add formulas to create customized values based on other fields. Finally, preview your template to ensure everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click Save to store your customized template for future use. Now you have full control over your Docusign documents.